Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So it's the middle of the month and I have some things I have run out of. I also found out that the price of Pick Milk 123 is skyrocketing really fast. I decided to just stop by at the store and get some things to add to the groceries I already have for the month of April. If you have not seen the video, you want to check my videos out, I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can check the video out. I do my monthly shopping every month, and sometimes or most of the time there are some things I cannot get from the regular store market that I go to, but I could go to ShopRite or any other supermarket to get them. So in today's video I'm going to be going to ShopRite to buy these things, and I'm carrying you guys along. I'll also be going to buy some vitamin C's and other supplements that I use on a monthly basis. I also shared a video on that, guys, on how I do supplements every month for my people. So you want to check that out. If you like these kinds of videos, you want to subscribe. And if you're not yet, if you're already subscribed, thank you. And you want to give this a thumbs up and then click on the bell icon so you get subscribe, click bell icon so that you can get notifications anytime I share a new post, and then share this video with your friends. Don't forget to drop your comments below if you have any questions, feedback, any thoughts, suggestions. I would appreciate it. I'll be seeing you guys on the other side. So I got this paper towel. We usually use about one or two for the month. I wasn't able to get it earlier in the month. Yeah. And then this Afan base chewy, it keeps betraying my healthy living journey, but God is gonna give me the grace. I got Jacob's cream crackers because I wanted to snack on it, and because it's sugar free. Yes, guys. And then I got this Hollandia milk. Actually, my daughter thought it was yogurt. I even thought it was yogurt initially. We got to the store and we had this sales personnel coming to advertise and giving us samples to taste, and the taste is not bad at all. Yeah, I ended up getting one roll, which was about 800 naira or so. And then we got this paper towel, tissue paper, which we're going to use to augment the paper towel. This Complan milk cost about 1,800 naira for 200 grams, and I was able to get two. Hopefully, and that's my cup. And then this is my pineapple I'm trying to regrow. The Complan hopefully is a complete meal, and I'll give you guys feedback on how it goes. Nutty snacks just to chew. And then I got this date fruit powder because I don't use sugar for my 1 year plus old. Yes, and it's about 2,800, let's say 3,000 for this pack. And this is one I have already, I used in the house, leftover one, because I was running out of it. And this is a ratio of dates and milk. I usually mix about 5 spoons of milk to about 2 spoons of dates, something like that, and I use it for her pap or custard. Yeah, because she's not really a fan of cereals, other forms of cereals, I mean. So that's it for the dates, and I can also use it for myself too. Black pepper for my ginger garlic tea, and then ground white pepper for me to use to spice my meals or anything else like that. I got these sausages. I usually get this chicken flank, but it's really expensive now, so I decided to go for the option I have. That's about 1,900, and then this chicken breast cost me about 2,008 or thereabout. I'm not really a fan of chicken breast, but want to try out new recipes, guys. So that's what I was able to get for the store. I eventually got some supplements, which I'm going to be showing in a bit. And this part is the healthy part of it. The weather is somehow now really hot, and one has to be very careful with what we eat, and of course how we take care of our health. So I got tired to go into a supermarket, pharmacy, to buy these drugs for myself and my family. I have this, I still have some of this vitamin C. This one you dissolve in water, but I got this for my kids just to help to boost their immune system. And then for now I got some sweets. You saw that in my other video, but I decided, for now, no sweets for them. The only sweet they're allowed to take is the vitamin C licky. And then I got some Pecto for some cough or allergy if you suspect any. And then this chewy is what we're going to be licking as sweets for my children from now on. And then this vitamin C, the one in the long bottle, is we just need to dilute in water and drink, and that gives you 1000 milligram of vitamin C per day as an adult, because that is what our body needs. I made a video on vitamin C benefits. Yeah, that's this one. And you are expected to take one per day. You dissolve it in water and drink. Sometimes I give it to my children too, maybe in smaller quantities. Maybe I'll make a video to show you guys how I do it. But for now, they're going to just be licking. I already opened one of them, and they're just going to be licking this like 5 or thereabouts in a day. And because they eat other forms of fruits and vegetables, they're going to be getting other vitamins as well. So guys, if you want more helpful tips on eating healthy and living a healthy lifestyle, you want to subscribe to this channel for more. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.